stuff everywhere. Okay, see what's in the box. I don't remember what all I got you. Oh, Mommy's gifts aren't as exciting as Santa Claus's. What is that? That'll keep you warm. That's going to keep you warm this winter.
Whoa.
You got an outfit with flowers on it.
That's exciting.
Uh-oh. Okay, go get the other ones. You get to them? Go on the other side, right there.
You can get underneath there.
Go underneath it.
Crawl.
Get them.
I was holding that camcorder for 15 minutes. It was doing
You don't know
nothing.
how to work it?
I hit record. It recorded for 5 minutes and just stopped. You'd have to delete something off of it. Do you know? Did you put all those on the computer?
Where are you going? Your what? Come open your presents. Oh, where's she going?
Avery left.
The gift opener's out of the building. Avery, come open your presents. Hurry. What are you doing? Here. Get this one right here and open it. Here. You got your new slippers on. Yeah, you got new ones. Here, this one's on. It's a mess. Are you going to clean all this up? No? Who's going to clean it up? Mommy going to clean it up?
Daddy has to do it.
Oh, Daddy has to do it. You hear that, Daddy? Daddy's the cleanup crew. Now, see what's in the box. I really don't know either. Oh, that's to go to your iPad, Avery.
Whoa!
You got a Tink game for your iPad. Show it to Mommy and let me take a picture. Hold it up and let me see. Oh, wait. Let me see it. Let Mommy see the game.
Did you,
Open it, please.
I'll open it in a minute. But look, I want you to hold it like this. Let me take your picture. 1, 2, smile. That's Daddy. Look, that's Daddy's. You go get your other presents over there. You got some more.
did you put all the ones that are on here on the computer?
I think so. Just delete some of the loved ones. They're all on there. What's in this one? Oh, Mommy ripped some of it. Sorry. Yeah, get every last piece off, don't you?
For my ice wafers.
That's right.
Okay. Ice wafers.
Those are cute slippers. Hello Kitty.